After we became successful, I knew that I had to start looking for someone to take over for me. I was getting older and I never wanted this to end. So I tried a couple of different people, but either they were really good at business, or really artistic, or really good with people, but not all three. And that's what we needed. I knew David would be perfect for the job.
Meanwhile, I'm busting my tail to get to perform. I'm living in Los Angeles. I just got back from performing in Taiwan, and I booked 6 weeks in Monterey. I'm doing 3 weeks at the Welk, a month at the Pavilion. The timing just wasn't right.
Then, after David's second child was born, he called me one day. He was on the road with the Buddy Holly story, and he asked me, "Is that job you talked about still available?" And I said, "Oh, yes."
I was leaving the house that morning to fly back to continue performing in the Buddy Holly story. I was saying my goodbyes to Heather and the kids when my daughter Alice said to me, "Daddy, why do you leave us?" And I said, "Honey, I have to go. I have to make money for the family." And she said, "Daddy, we have enough." And that was it. I knew it was time for me to find a place to work where I could be home more. So we sold our house and moved to Oceanside.